Anytime now. And the race is on. Tabaco from the outside is Moonraker. St. Mark rushing up. Golden Fortune moving up by the rally. Kimagure. It's now Golden Fortune, Tabaco. Kimagure is running by the rally. Alongside 1A Moonraker. St. Mark racing in fifth by about 2 lengths. Ice Palace running by the rally. And on the outside, Amazing Damascus. Dare to Dream is running at the tail of the field. Kimagure, the favorite by ahead. And on the outside, in between runners is Golden Fortune, Tabaco. Moonraker is racing in Port St. Mark. Ice Palace, Amazing Damascus. It's Kimagure by Hapalan, Tabaco. Moonraker on the outside, Amazing Damascus, St. Mark. As they race the final corner, the outstanding favorite, Kimagure by a length and a half, followed now by Moonraker. Tabaco, St. Mark rushing up, and on the further outside is Amazing Damascus. Kimagure, St. Mark on the outside. It's now St. Mark, Kimagure, and finally number 7, St. Mark, Kimagure. Amazing Damascus, 1A Moonraker. Tabaco, number 4, Golden Fortune.
735, di hading.